Hello friends, in this video we are going to study the topic human respiratory system. Like other animals, respiratory system in human beings serves to provide fresh oxygen to all body cells and removes harmful carbon dioxide from the body. In this figure you can see all the main organs. Serially, the organs are placed as nostrils, nasal passage, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, ribs, lungs and diaphragm. Now we will study the function of each organs in detail. The first one is nostrils. Air is taken into the body through nostrils. It is lined by fine hairs and mucus which helps to filter the air entering through it. Nasal passage. Air entering the nostrils leads to nasal passage. It is mainly responsible for conditioning the air. Pharynx. Nasal chamber opens into pharynx. It passes air to the larynx. Larynx is located in the neck region and in front of trachea. It also produces sound. This is the figure of trachea, also known as windpipe. The air passes from pharynx and goes into trachea. Incomplete rings of cartilage keep trachea open, allowing the passage of air to the lungs and also prevent it from collapsing when there is no air in it. Bronchi. Trachea divides into two smaller tubes called bronchi. After entering the thoracic cavity, which further extends into each lungs. Bronchioles. Bronchi are subdivided into smaller tubes called bronchioles. Each bronchiole finally terminates into many alveoli. Alveoli. These are balloon-like structures located inside the lungs. A large number of alveoli increases the surface area for the exchange of gases. Human alveolar surface, when spread, can cover area of 80 meters square. In this picture, you can see the bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli. Ribs. These are 12 pairs of bones that form a cage in thoracic region. Lungs and heart are safely placed in it. Movement of intercostal muscles attached to ribs helps in breathing. Lungs. These are primary organs for respiration, which are located on the two sides of heart. They transport oxygen from the atmosphere into blood and release carbon dioxide from blood to atmosphere. They are enclosed by protective membranes called pleura. Diaphragm. Diaphragm is a muscular partition between thorax and abdomen and forms the base of chest cavity. During inhalation, diaphragm flattens and increases chest cavity so that air is sucked into lungs, while it relaxes during exhalation.